Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button as I bring you this amazing style. You've been seeing this, I believe. If you have not, then get ready to learn something new. You can see this. I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to do it, okay? This is quite simple. So without wasting time, let us start. So this is my placket. I've already gone my placket, and it's having a wideness of about 1.1 inch, 1.25 inch wide. Okay, that's the wideness of my placket, and the length of it is 16 inches. All right, 16 inches. I've gone ahead to go my placket. What we are basically focusing on in this video is how to do that design, and you can see I've sewn and torn this fabric out. This is just about half inch. I've pressed it's about half inch, and the length of the fabric is the length of this rope I've made is twice the length of this placket. You see that? It's twice the length of the placket. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, just watch carefully how I'm going to do it and you will understand. It's very simple. So I'm starting at the beginning. I'm going to be sewing on top of it, on top of this rope. All right, I'm going to sew on top of this rope. I'll start by stitching on top of it, and you can see I've kept this rope to balance more on one side, leaving more allowance on the other side of the placket. If you can watch the placket very well. So watch carefully how I'm going to do this. It's very simple. I'll not be talking, just pay attention and watch. I actually did a video on this before. Yes, I did a video on this exactly before. If you check in my videos, you will see a video on this that I've made before. So should in case you don't quite get this, you can check that one. But this is a very simple method. I think that other method is much more difficult to understand than this one. This is quite simple and very easy. So if you watch carefully, whatever I do to this side, I do to the other side as well. So just watch. I turn it face down, turn it again for the second time, then I stitch. So even the other side, which doesn't really look very clear, is still the same thing. Alright, match it this way, fold it down, fold again for the second time. So it's really very simple, guys. Very simple. It's very simple. So you continue turning, and then one thing to take note is when you are turning, make sure that what you are stitching is tight. You see, when you pull it down, make sure you pull the rope. Okay, it's so that when you are done, it won't look very loose, but it's supposed to look tight. Okay, so you just to each side you are doing, you turn twice. Okay, turn the rope the first time, turn the second time. Then the secret is how I am turning it. So you need to pay very close attention to how I am turning the rope. Alright, I think that's just the trick in this. Okay, else there's nothing much. So when I'm done, I'm going to attach it to the body of the senator, and this I'm also doing on the pocket as well, the chest pocket. So once I'm done with the two of them, I'll just gum them to my senator top, and then we stitch it, and that will be all. Alright guys, so in case also I have an amazing class I put together on safari suit. In case you're watching this video and you are interested in knowing how to make a safari suit, there is this amazing video I've put together on safari suit. Believe me, it's very simple. If you watch it, all your problems, all your challenges concerning a safari suit will be settled. So you can chat me, alright, or just drop a comment for me in case you're interested in that class. So guys, I believe you've gotten the clue to this. All right, so at the end part here, I'm still going to stitch on top of this rope remaining here. You see, I'm going to stitch on top of it, and we've gone to the end. All right, so let's go ahead, all right, and attach this to our senator top. All right, let's go ahead. You can see how clean it's looking, clean and simple. All right, it's not difficult at all. You can see without pressing, it's looking very, very powerful. You can see this, very clean, very clean, very clean, very nice. All right, so let's take it to the table. I'll show you how to fold it finally before attaching to the native, all right, to our top. So you can see the way I folded my placket. I believe we all know how to fold placket. Okay, if you don't know them, there are videos I've done on placket. They're there, you can check it, you get that, so that we don't waste much time on this video. So you see, that's the top of the placket, the neck side of the placket, right? Applying hemming gum there. So the next thing for us to do is to, you can see how it's looking very clean. Fold it again, leaving an excess of about a 1/4 inch allowance by the side. That's where we're going to stitch. All right, so let's fold the down part as well. This is the end part of the placket, and because it's the end part, watch how I'm going to reduce the allowance. Okay, on this placket, I'm going to reduce the allowance up till about 8 inches to the next side. Okay, let me show us. I'll reduce up to about 8 inches there to the next side. I'll stop there. See, at 8 inches I'll stop, and I'll cut out like that. So this is my placket. I'm going to hem it down so that it's, you know, looking like I want it to look. See that? Stop right there, remove the gum, and then we'll fold the edge nicely. Fold the edge nicely. Yep, that's it. So this is our senator top, and this is our placket. So this is how we're going to attach the placket. So you just watch carefully how I'm going to attach my placket to the top. See the allowance I remained there, the 8 inches. I'm going to now open. Let me take it more closely so that you see it well. I'll open my placket. All right, see that? I'll open it and then fix it in. Can you see that? Because the length of that opening is, you know, is a little bit less than 8. I'm going to cut it small. The length of that opening is about 7.5, so I'll cut it small so as to fit in. Can you see that? So now it has automatically fit in. So what I'll simply do is to open and apply, you know, my hemming gum. You can see there's a pocket right there. I've done the same thing on the pocket. You can see the design is the same thing even on the pocket. So you can see the excess I have here. I will fix it to hang, you know, where the opening on the senator top stop. Can you see that? It's quite interesting, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, and turn your notification bell on, guys, so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. All right, so guys, you can see I've gummed this. I've gummed it. That's how it's looking. That's how it's looking, guys. So after stitching it and attaching the sleeves, this is what I've got. All right, so after stitching it, guys, sorry, I'm here to attach the sleeves. Okay, so this is it right here. So if you like this video, if you learned something from this, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, share this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.